I grew up in this beautiful little medieval town in Germany. It was a very quiet way of growing up. Life is very slow. However, I was always super interested and curious about what happens above our heads. So when I was 16, I started my technical program at Airbus, where I learned to be an aircraft mechanic. Throughout the years at Airbus, I was going to school, I was going to work. I really learned the ins and outs of how we build helicopters, how we build airplane parts, how you really have to make sure that you're really structured with your work, organized, report everything in a certain way, but also look out for the safety aspect, because obviously aircraft just can't pull to the side of the road and stop. They're going to come down from the sky. I was able to go to Mexico for a transfer project, and we taught like 40 people over across 6 months on how to build aircraft efficiently and safely. That was a big milestone also in my career, to go from being the assembly technician into a supervisor role. After I had my joy working at Airbus for over 5 years, I really knew, hey, I want to go study aerospace engineering in the Bay Area. Fortunately, I was Graduate of the Year in the end of it, which is one of my biggest accomplishments during my career. From there on, I already started working at Longshot part-time as a student, and then eventually 3 years ago I was hired full-time. And then over the course of the last 3 years, I went from intern to systems engineer, and now I'm the head of manufacturing. The more I've been working on this project, I think the more I'm also becoming more excited about the future and where this could potentially lead us. The space industry currently and how it's structured is very monopolized, and I think that we're going into the direction where this becomes more of an extreme, and we're here at Longshot to break that monopoly pattern and really make space accessible to everybody.